Today it's time to check back in with the Shiba Inu coin, perform some technical analysis and make some predictions on where SHIB could go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the SHIB chart, guys. If you want to buy some SHIB or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But looking at the SHIB chart now, we are at a very critical point for this coin. And the reason I say that is because we are at a key point of what used to be resistance, which will now be acting as support. And that is roughly at this 3,000 mark that we are seeing right here, potentially even a bit lower at 2,965. So let me just put that one in place for you guys. Chuck that there. You can see plenty of price action from that point, and that was a key point for the initial breakout that we saw. That was on the 23rd of October, and we got to an all-time high for this coin of 8870. So looking really good when we were up there, but of course now we have started to trundle down in this sort of a manner. Now let's basically, I suppose, have a look at what we could potentially be seeing. First and foremost, putting in a basic trend, I think you can really take this one all the way up to the top over here. So many touch points that we have seen in the past, and it's becoming tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. We are going to see within the next few days a massive either break upwards or break downwards for SHIB, and it's really going to come down to, can the buying momentum come back in? As we can see, the volumes on SHIB have been extremely low since we had that massive pump back in October, November. Now it is time to see a bit of buying action come back into the piece, or potentially, if it's a break downwards, more selling action, because this is really a critical point for us. Bring in a few more indicators as well to have a look at exactly what is going on. MACD, it has been red for such a long period of time now. It is overdue to start moving in the right direction. The 12-day EMA and the 26-day EMA are looking very, very close together. We just need to see a bit of buying volume coming in. That 12-day EMA is going to cross the 26-day EMA, and this coin could be absolutely flying once again. That is a very high possibility. Let's bring in the RSI as well now. And as you can see, it has just been dropping. It is mainly sellers since that point. We're currently sitting very low on the RSI, 36.41. Plenty of headroom to start moving in the upwards direction. Not so much for a downwards direction. So that's why I really think we could potentially be seeing an upwards move in the near future. Those upwards moves are going to be targeting these two key points first, the 20-day moving average and the 50-day. The 20 days at 3532, the 50 days at 4425. They are our key points that we need to see hit if a breakout does occur. Of course, the 20-day first, and we will really see some momentum coming back. If we did have to move upwards, what would my target be? Well, it would be our first point, I'd say, of resistance. I'd suggest it would be probably sitting about up here at 4816, just above our 50-day moving average. So that would be my target. Of course though, if I had to put in another target for if we did drop, that target would be the 200-day sitting at 2062. I'd love to know your thoughts on SHIB down in the comments section below. Do you think we are finally going to see a breakout after such a long-term period of pain for the coin since we hit those all-time highs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe. I'll leave it there, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.